Making gnocchi at home is one of the funnest things when you are a child and you do them with your grandmother. I prefer to buy them fresh and maybe look for a recipe with which to dress them. Let's prepare the saffron gnocchi with the vegetables. We begin to cut the zucchini from the sides to eliminate the spongy central part. We remove it and divide the zucchini into parts. We repeat the same operation with the carrot. We heat extra virgin olive oil and add the shallot. We add our julienne of zucchini and carrots. Combine a level of hot water and cook over high heat. Naturally, the more we thin the vegetables and the more they cook quickly. The water is boiling. The time has come to add our precious saffron. Why do I put in the water and not directly into the condiment? Because a sachet is really too much to put in a condiment. It will risk altering the light taste of the vegetables. So we put it directly into the boiling water. It will turn yellow and our gnocchi will flavor with saffron gently. Let's put the gnocchi in cooking for a few minutes. Now we drain them directly into the pan where we are cooking the vegetables. Add a ladle of water and saffron. Add some Parmesan and start to combine all the ingredients with potato gnocchi. If they stick too much together, we need only add a ladle of water and saffron. A sprinkling of green pepper to make the taste even more decisive. Soft, tasty and fragrant. Here are the gnocchi with saffron and vegetables. Do not you want to prepare them?